Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys know I'm Side Hustle Keisha. I do videos, tips on ways to make money from home, amazing job opportunities, and cool side hustles you can do from home. So listen, I'm gonna bring you 3 side hustles that you could start today, and make some money from home after work on the weekend in your spare time. 3 side hustles I'm bringing you. Okay, so make sure you guys are following me at Facebook at Side Hustle Keisha, on Instagram at Side Hustle Keisha, and of course you're here on YouTube, so don't hesitate hitting that subscribe button and punching that notification button so every time I upload a video you're in the know. Okay, so this first one I have for you, it's part-time. You'll be working as an Android and desk internet search reviewer. Okay, so it's with a company that is only hiring temporary, and there's no state restrictions mentioned, no college required. In this job you'll be accessing tasks both on the go and from your desktop PC at home using both custom app on your Android smartphone and your desktop laptop PC. You'll be evaluating apps and product quality and online search results in order to improve their content and quality. So I'm gonna take you right over to the company so that you're able to see. It is Lionbridge. This is the recruitment application. Okay, so this is for you would be applying for mobile and desktop search reviewer for the US. Here is to view job description of this role. You click here, so pops up the description, and I'm gonna just briefly go through this. This is it is a mobile desktop search reviewer. It's going to be a project that what does the job involve? As a mobile and desktop search reviewer, your ultimate goal will be to contribute towards evaluating new products over time and making mobile internet search more exciting, relevant, and interesting for all end users in the United States. In this job, you'll be accessing tasks on the go using custom app and Android smartphone. Okay, so just so you know your task, who is suitable for the job? We're currently seeking dynamic and creative Android users. So you have to be an Android user who have strong interest in social media, specifically those who are active daily user on their Gmail account, and have familiarity with other forms of social media. We require suitable candidates to own and use Android device and have a willingness to keep the Android updated to the latest OS version, currently v6.0 Marshmallow. You should also be willing to download certain required apps through the Play Store. You should be flexible, reliable, and avid Android smartphone user. In this role, you will have the freedom to work on the go and from your home, working your own hours. You'll receive push notifications when tasks are available through the custom app. We are seeking people who specifically have an Android mobile device. Okay, so they made that clear. So you would come here. You can look at some of the requirements: fluency in written and verbal English, access to use an Android smartphone, latest version of Google search app installed on the Android device. You must be living in the United States for at least the last 3 consecutive years. Gmail must be your primary email account and used frequently active daily user of Gmail. So some tasks will be assessed through a specific custom app you'll be required to download on your Android smartphone. So basically, they're just telling you what they require. This is a part-time temporary job. You would come over here and fill these steps out and move forward in the process. So that's one of the 3 side hustles that you can work from home. Okay, let's jump into the second one. We'll go over the second one so that way you guys can kind of see. So instantly sell your Apple device for cash, free shipping for extra cash. Instantly sell your iPhone, tablet, MacBook, or other used electronics on Whistle. Get paid via PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, or gift card. Payment sent within 24 hours of receiving this device. So let's go over to Whistle and check out Whistle. Whistle, the best way to sell your Apple device and more. Instant guaranteed offer, free shipping kit, 24-hour payment. Okay, so you would go here and let's just look over and see what they are. Sell my iPad, sell my iPhone, sell my MacBook, sell my Apple Watch, sell my Apple TV, sell my AirPods Pro, sell my headphones and earbuds, sell my other electronics. So they have opportunity for you to make money here. And this basically goes over how it works. And we've already stated that you can come over here and click on sell my device and you pick which device. So let's just go to iPhone. I'm not that familiar with iPhone, but let's go to iPhone. I have an iPad, so let's go over to iPad mini because I have an iPad mini. So you would go over here and you would answer the question, is it third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation, and so on and so forth, and get some money. So if you have any Apple devices that you're looking to sell, this may be a great opportunity for you to make some quick money, okay? So I have another opportunity. This is the last opportunity. You get paid for your opinions, okay? So you can do surveys. You give, they have surveys quoted in all the major media. So they cover trending topics like race relations, politicians, and state of the economy, sports, and much more. Get paid in cash with gift cards, Amazon, Walmart, Target, and other leading brands. You can get paid to give your opinion, and you can get paid with gift cards, and you can use that money for groceries, gas, for whatever shopping holidays are coming up. So it's another way to make some extra money and use it for some things that you need. So let's go over to that company. Company is called Yougov. So here it says, share your opinion, earn money, shape the news, join millions of others in sharing your opinion on politics, sports, entertainment, and more. You will click here to start. What will I earn? So it goes over what you will earn. And I stated that you can get cash for taking survey. There's no small print. You've earned those points by taking Yougov surveys. Choose your reward. We'll process it immediately. We add new rewards all the time based on feedback. Okay, so you can click start there, but we're gonna go back. Okay, how does Yougov work? How will I shape the news? So let's go with how will I shape the news. Yougov surveys make the headlines every day. Yougov is interested by brands. Yougov is trusted by brands and the media to accurately measure opinion. The results of the survey you take will basically feature in the news. So you can come down and start here, but we're going to go back because I want to get the last thing on the list. How does Yougov work? You'll be invited to answer questions on a wide range of topics by email or in the Yougov app. You earn points every time you answer the survey. The longer the survey, the more points you earn. Watch your points grow and cash them out for a variety of rewards, okay? You can click start here. So let's just go back and see what else is on the website, give you just a little bit more information. So let's go click start because I think it's going to take us to another page. Welcome to Yougov. Let's get started with some basic questions. Please confirm that you live in the United States. Okay, so let's go and hit next. So these are the questions they're going to ask you, and you're going to start earning points. So come over here and check Yougov out, you guys. It's a great way to earn money. If the holidays are coming up, you can use that money for gifts for your children or your loved ones, or for grocery shopping or shopping on Amazon. Everybody loves Amazon. So you guys, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, all of the links to these job opportunities or these side hustles will be below in the description box. Click on them, apply. If it doesn't apply to you or something you don't want to do and you think someone else would be interested in it, send it over to a friend. Post this video on Facebook, post this video on any social media platforms, and share this opportunity. A lot of people are in need right now for some extra cash, and this is why I do this. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.